Imagine a world where a simple pill could shield you from life-threatening food allergies. This isn't a distant dream. Scientists at Northwestern University have made a groundbreaking discovery that could revolutionize the way we treat severe food allergies. The drug in question is Zileuton, a pill already approved by the Food and Drug Administration for treating asthma. But here's where it gets controversial. What if this same drug could offer a new approach to managing food allergies? Dr. Stephanie Eisenbarth and Dr. Adam Williams, co-senior study authors from the Feinberg School of Medicine, have conducted a study on mice that suggests Zileuton could provide new protection for millions of people living with food allergies. The scientists identified a previously unknown role for a gene in mice, which they found is essential in regulating anaphylaxis, a rapid and potentially fatal allergic reaction. This discovery could be a game-changer. Williams explained, once we identified the gene in the mouse model, it was pretty clear the pathway that was involved in protecting the mice. And as soon as we realized that, then we saw that a number of medications already FDA-approved to inhibit this pathway, right? And so it wasn't a huge leap for us then to try and test these medications in our animal model. The mice were given peanut extract orally shortly after receiving Zileuton. While the research team monitored for symptoms, the results were astonishing. After treatment with Zileuton, 95% of the mice showed almost no symptoms of anaphylaxis. The treatment reversed their risk from 95% susceptible to 95% protected, Williams said. This means that with Zileuton, users could take a simple pill to block the body's anaphylactic pathway before it activates. Eisenbarth elaborated, let's say you're going to a child's birthday party, you're getting on an airplane, you're going out to a restaurant, and you are trying to protect yourself from potentially very small, limited amounts of exposure that might be contaminating a food that you're taking in. This might be able to prevent that limited amount of allergen from getting in and triggering that anaphylactic reaction. And this is the part most people miss. There are only 2 FDA-approved treatments for food allergies: an oral immunotherapy for peanut allergies that doesn't work for everyone, and omalizumab, a costly injection that isn't always effective either. A clinical trial is the important next step, Eisenbarth said. Because we have defined a very clear pathway, really potent in mice, but we need to understand if the same thing is true in humans, she stated. So, what do you think? Could Zileuton be the breakthrough we've been waiting for in the fight against food allergies? Share your thoughts in the comments below.